In working with WordPress, one of the things that we often want to change is our widgets. Now, a widget is a small section of code that's on our website. They're very easy for us to add and remove, and we can typically find them in a sidebar, such as you see over here. WordPress comes with numerous widgets, and I'll show you how we can control these. Let's go back to our dashboard. In our dashboard, we're going to go to Appearance, and then choose Widgets from our flyout menu. Most themes come widget ready, meaning that they have a section for a widget. Sometimes they'll have multiple sections. Here on our right hand side, you can see our different widget areas, and you can see our primary aside, which is our sidebar that we have on all of our pages. The theme developer for a theme that you're going to use has to name these widget areas. Usually they're based upon their location, such as the aside or sometimes a sidebar, a top or bottom, and maybe a top or bottom on a specific instance such as a single post or a page. In this case, our primary site is open, and we can see that several widgets have been added by default. These widgets come with WordPress, such as search, recent posts, recent comments, etc. If we don't want one of these to appear, all we need to do is click on it and drag it to our left-hand side where our deactivated widgets are. This automatically saves this information, and if I come back to my demo site and reload, you'll notice that my sidebar has become smaller because I don't have as much content here. Switching back to the Admin Center, I can come over here and I can add additional widgets if I like. So for example, here's my tag cloud, and you notice I can just drag it. You'll notice if I want to rearrange the order, I can just drag and move them around. And you'll notice there's a small down arrow on most of these widgets. This is where we can set properties. Most allow you to set a title, and then have one or more other settings we can use. I can click Save, and now we have this information set. If I want to put something in a different sidebar or on a single page or post, I can open up the widget by clicking on its title. Now you see my area, and now I just have to determine what should go here. Going to click Save, switch back, reload, and notice that here is my second widget. This particular theme has a lot of different widgets available to you. Some only have one or two, others like this one could have a dozen or more. It just depends upon your theme, and the widget areas may have different names based upon who created your theme. But WordPress will always put the widget areas on the right-hand side and the available widgets on the left-hand side. Now, if you see something that's different on your available widgets, that could be because of additional plugins you do or do not have installed. Many plugins create a widget area for you that can be displayed. In fact, some plugins are specifically for creating widgets. So, if you would like to perform a function in one of your widget areas, and you don't see that availability under your widgets panel, look for a plugin to see if you can find that functionality. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and share it with others. If you want to keep up with other videos that are coming out, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook. That way you can get the most up-to-date information.